Today we make oladji. Stay tuned, we will start right away. Oladji are a part of Russian and Soviet culture. They're a simple and not expensive dish to make. They require only a few basic ingredients that are readily available. For this particular batch, I took 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 6 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we'll whisk together the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. Then we'll stir in the sour cream, Greek yogurt, baking powder, salt and milk. I whisk everything together until it's smooth and combined. Then I slowly add the flour, whisking as I go. Oladji are deeply rooted in Russian culture and history. They've been enjoyed for centuries and are often associated with the comfort, warmth, and family gatherings. Now it's time to cook our oladji. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat. Use a spoon to scoop the batter into the hot oil. Cook until golden brown on both sides. The key to great oladji is getting the oil temperature just right. Oops, my spatula had a little bit of water in it. The oil shouldn't splatter all over the place. As you can see, it happened only with the first oladji. Once they cook, you can serve them with your favorite toppings. Some popular choices include sour cream, jam, honey, maple syrup, Nutella, or try with caviar. You probably will like that one. Even if you think you're not a great cook, give this recipe a try. Surprise yourself and your loved ones with this easy-to-make dish. You can do it. Here, let's take a closer look at the inside of one of these oladji. See how thick and fluffy it is? You can make those thicker or even thinner. It's all up to you. You can modify a recipe as you wish. Repeat this process until you've cooked all the batter and have a stack of delicious oladji. I started this channel for people who might be a little intimidated by the kitchen. If you think you're not a great cook, don't worry. These recipes are super easy. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn to cook, no matter their skill level. Even if you've never cooked before, you can follow along and make delicious food. To save time, I'll skip to the end where I've already made a bunch of oladji. You can see how they should look. And if you stick around to the end, my friends, I'll show you some bloopers where I struggle with the pronunciation of certain words. That should be the last 4. And here they are. Beautiful, aren't they? Believe me, they are not just beautiful, they are delicious as well. You can eat it with maple syrup, with jam, with Nutella, or just like that. I made 40-50 oladji. It's really good. Really good. You have to love them. Try them. And here are my bloopers. Don't go anywhere. We will start right now. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. We will start right now. Don't go anywhere. We will start right now. Don't go anywhere. We will start right now.